It's about to purge. Oh, you see the water pushing the stem up, the switch? There it goes. Now you start to hear the water as the level goes down, coming in. That's the water rushing in from the weeping thaws. It's quite the rate. We live in a high water table, mostly clay ground. And if it wasn't for this $100 appliance, we wouldn't have a basement. We wouldn't have a dry basement anyway. Install a check valve on the bottom so that water doesn't rush back from the pipe going outside. Some days it runs constantly. Look at this year, should be okay. Oh, by the way, always have a brand new one ready to go.